Alright, good day guys, and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create your Memefi wallet and also get ready for the listing. Right, so listing is going to be on October 9th, and you're going to have to create your wallet and fund it with LINR so that you'd be able to probably transfer to an exchange or transfer to a DEX after listing. Right, so you're going to have to head over to the wallet section, and you're going to create wallet. So immediately you tap create wallet, you're going to see your secret phrase, right? So once you see your secret phrase, be sure to write it down. Once you write it down, you hit continue, and then they'll ask you if you've saved your secret phrase, and then you tap yes, saved. Now you're going to go through a verification process, right? So I'm just going to impute this. All right guys, so once you verify the words in your seed phrase, you are going to see something like this, right? So this means that your wallet has been created, right? So you can also do another thing. You can probably head over to a different non-custodial wallet and import the seed phrase again, so that probably in whatever situation you do not lose your wallet, right? So here you can deposit, you can also withdraw, you can also see your total balance. You can see that this is LINR, and you can also see Memefi, right? Your Memefi balance, right? So TGE, when TGE comes up, the token generation event comes up, your Memefi balance would probably reflect here, right? So you can also head over to settings, right, and review your seed phrase if in whatever scenario you lose it, or you can also view your private key. Right, so we're going to head on back. So you are going to have to deposit LINR for gas, right? This is what was communicated by the Memefi team, right? So we are going to tap deposit. Here you're going to copy the address, and you can head over to probably OKX, Binance. Okay, OKX is not available for most of us in in this certain region, right? OKX is not available for certain regions, right? You can head over to Bybit, you can head over to Binance, or whatever centralized exchange, and then you can get LINR, or you can bridge if that's what works for you, right? And you can fund LINR, right? So this is basically how to go about it, right? So one thing I'm going to have to show you guys is the spins, right? Sorry, I'm going to play this. All right, so Memefi introduced spins, right? So these are spins. So here you can spin for rewards, right? So I'm just going to take this up to 50 so that you see how it works, or let me just take it up to 10, right? So you can tap and hold spin, and then you can see it keeps on spinning and giving you rewards, right? So I'm just going to stop this, and then probably it just spin along, right? So with the number of spins that you get, you can get rewards that tally to the amount, right? So sometimes you might get 50 spins, you might get 100, you can get 300, right? You can get 500 for whatever reason, right? So these spins are like a way to help you earn faster aside tapping, right? And every 5 hours I think you get 5 new spins, right? So another thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to head over to the end section, right? And then you're going to have to complete each and every one of these tasks, right? So to complete these tasks, there are groups on Telegram that give you access to the codes. Obviously you're going to have to watch the video, right? You're going to watch the video, and if you're not able to get the codes, you can probably head on to these Telegram accounts, and they probably get the codes from there, right? But then you're going to have to watch these videos and follow up to get the rewards, right? You can see that there are about 67 videos right here for new time users, people that that probably just started mining, right? You're going to see 67 tasks, right? So yeah, this is basically all you need to get positioned before TGE, right? So I hope you guys have fun trying this out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and yes, I will see you in the next video, right? And also do not forget, if you want to support the channel, be sure to get a bag of WikiCat on the Binance Smart Chain network, right? So like I said before, hope you guys have fun trying this out. Hope you get enough tokens before TGE, and yes, I'll see you in the next video.